In this video, you'll learn how to efficiently manage your Notion sidebar. This tutorial will guide you through the various options available to customize and navigate your sidebar effectively. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Notion website. Ensure that your internet connection is stable, as a weak connection may lead to longer loading times. Once you are on the Notion homepage, locate the sidebar on the left side of your screen. The sidebar is where you can access all your pages and workspaces, making it essential for effective navigation. Next, click on the search bar at the top of the sidebar. This action will allow you to quickly find any page or content within your workspace. A search results list will appear, helping you locate what you need effortlessly. After that, click on the home option in the sidebar. This will take you to your main workspace where all your recent pages and updates are displayed. You should see a clear overview of your active projects. Then navigate to the meetings section by clicking on it within the sidebar. This area is dedicated to all your scheduled meetings and related notes, providing you with a streamlined view of your calendar events. Following that, you can explore the Notion AI feature by clicking on its link. This feature offers various tools to enhance your productivity, allowing for smarter task management. Next, click on the inbox option. This section serves as your central hub for all notifications and updates, ensuring you stay informed about any changes in your workspace. Now, proceed to click on the private section. This area contains your personal notes and documents, which are not shared with your team, keeping your sensitive information secure. Then click on Team Spaces to view shared workspaces with your team. This feature helps manage collaboration effectively by organizing team-specific projects and tasks. After that, click on the Team Spaces toggle to expand this section. Expanding will reveal more options and shared spaces, allowing you to access detailed information about your team's projects. Next, click on the three dots icon located next to the Team Spaces title. This icon typically represents additional options for managing your team spaces efficiently. Following that, click on the Show option from the drop-down menu. This action will display more details regarding the selected team space, offering insights into its structure and contents. Then click on Move Up to rearrange the order of items in your sidebar. This feature allows you to prioritize certain pages by adjusting their positions within the sidebar. Finally, click on Move Down to lower the position of a selected item in the sidebar. This way you can organize your sidebar according to your preferences, ensuring easy access to your most important pages. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.